A school is a space sparkling with potential. The potential to make society whatever we want it to be, to transform society into a space that we are proud of living in. And it all starts in the school, and I see that potential every single day.
I strongly believe that one's birth in a certain family or in a certain socio-economic group should never define or dictate the kind of opportunities that one gets.
I decided to take on school leadership as I realized that working in the government system itself gave me the scope to reach out to more children and one day be an advocate for education reform working within the system itself.
So what drives me as a school leader, Akanksha school leader, is the fact that we are trying to provide holistic education to kids coming from lesser privileged backgrounds.
I feel the thing that is different about Akanksha is the focus on high expectations. Because we have such high expectations, our teachers, our students, all are in a process of getting there and all are improving themselves every day, each day.
The most important aspect for me personally is to share my own compassion that I have for children. And number three, the most important thing is how do we really create things in our schools that have the best practices to change the state of secondary education in the coming years or so.
I've observed serious learning gaps within each classroom, and the biggest challenge we face today is bridging these learning gaps and addressing the learning issues in the most effective way so as to impact learning.
I think working with the BMC, figuring out their systems and aligning their systems to our systems sometimes becomes very difficult. But I think I've taken it as an opportunity this year. We've incorporated an English-speaking program for the Marathi medium, so I think the BMC officials are really happy with us right now. The relationship is formed and they in fact come into our classrooms to see the kind of work we are doing.
Another serious challenge we face is the dismal living conditions of our children back home. It affects their attendance in the school, it affects their performance. We've got cases where children have not come for an entire month because their parents have just not been bothered to bring them to school.
Okay, the single most important quality of a school leader, wow, that's tough. Resilience, because being a school leader is tough. It's really, really difficult because you're dealing with people and you're dealing with so many people of so many ages with so many different purposes. But I think the single most important quality of a school leader is to be able to harness that energy, to be able to invest in others.
The single most important quality of a school leader, according to me, is being solution oriented. There are multiple decisions which a school leader has to take on a day-to-day basis.
If I could say one thing you need to be an Akanksha school leader, it would be an alignment of your heart, mind and action.